Hello, I'm Allison from the Signify US Channel Marketing Team, introducing our ready-to-go products. Let's take a look at our Philips PLED product range, LED replacements for compact fluorescent pin-based applications. Why switch to PLEDs? PLEDs are 60% more energy efficient than fluorescent lamps, providing instant energy savings. They offer a longer lifetime, 2 to 3 times longer, they're more robust, and they have lower maintenance costs. Philips PLEDs are shatter resistant as they're made of plastic, not glass. PLEDs offer a high quality of light and feature instant on at 100% with minimal color depreciation and no visible flickering or strobing. PLEDs offer a simple retrofit solution for general purpose applications including retail, hospitality, and offices. In our Core Pro tier, we offer 32 watt and 26 watt 4-pin lamps, PLC and PLT, in both horizontal and vertical burn positions. Our horizontal PLED has a rotatable end cap to easily adjust the beam angle or direction of light. Our 13-watt 2-pin and 4-pin PLC are offered in both horizontal and vertical burn positions. Here is our 13-watt 2-pin PLS. Our Masterclass range offers 40-watt 4-pin lamps, PLL. Why choose Philips PLEDs? These lamps offer horizontal and vertical burn positions. You can get light where you need it most with the rotatable end caps, and they're dimmable. Philips PLEDs are made of shatter-resistant plastic instead of glass, and they offer ultra-high quality light. We offer best-in-class ballast compatibility and an extended lifetime of 50,000 hours. To learn more about Philips energy-saving LED lamp solutions, visit philips.com/LED lamps.